Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm going to be doing 3 easy DIYs, and I'm going to start by doing these Christmas lollipops, and I'm just going to be using these coasters that I found. I was trying to look for the white styrofoam, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So this is what I'm going to be using. I also got a white spray paint. So for the spray paint, I did go in with 2 coats. I just wanted to make sure that you weren't able to see the brown coaster. So yeah. Now to make them stand up, what I'm going to be using is these hangers. I was trying to look for something sturdy, but I just couldn't find anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the hanger apart and just leave the bottom part of it so that it's going to I'm going to be using that as the stick. I didn't really have the right tools for this, but it wasn't that hard to take it all apart. It took me literally less than 1 minute. So after it dried, I went ahead and did the outline of a candy cane. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start painting the red on it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the stick on the coasters, and the coasters are not as sturdy. So what I did, I went in and put some glue on it, and that kind of made them stick better. And here I'm just using cellophane wrapping paper. Now I'm gonna be adding a bow on it, and I'm just using some ribbon that I have left over from last year. You can put anything you want, literally, but I thought of this last minute, so I just used what I had. This is how they looked. I only did 3 because the coasters only came with the packet 3, so yeah. Now here I'm gonna be making a window frame, and I'm gonna be using 4 picture frames and gluing them together and putting a wreath in the center with some wrapping paper in the back. On one of the videos that I watched, I saw that they added some popsicle sticks just to add more support on it, and it's not as wobbly and it doesn't move around and stuff. So yeah, that's why I put multiple popsicles on the back of the frames. Now I'm just gonna glue on some wrapping paper that I got for about €2, and I wasn't going to, but I thought without it just looked plain and different. So this is the wreath that I'm going to be using, and I thought it looked too bulky on the frame. So what I did, I just took the wire off the wreath, and you're going to see later on the video that I cut some of the little wreath branches just so it's not as bulky for the wreath. Wire back on, I added a few things just so it makes the wreath look fuller, and I also added 2 small Christmas trees that you guys will see in a bit. Now I added some small command strips, and these are just plastic ones that I got for about $2, and I hot glue them on the frames just so it gives that extra support, because these, even though the frame is not heavy, I just want to make sure it's on right on the wall and it doesn't come off. And this is the finished look. The last thing I'm going to be doing is this lettering garland that it's going to go on my TV stand, and you guys will see at the end. I'm just starting by doing the letters first, and what I am going to be using is these I'm not sure what they are, but I believe these are like placemats for the table, or you could use them pretty much anywhere you want, but they're just this thick material, and that's what I am going to be using for the garland. And here's how they look with the background, the red background that I'm going to be using. You guys can use any color. You guys can make them as big or small as you guys want. I did they came out pretty big, but I liked how they look on the entertainment center, so you guys will see. And now I'm just going to be hot gluing the letters to some burlap. Did put them about 2 to 3 inches apart from each other. And this is how they look. So this is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys end up recreating any of these DIYs, and hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys on my next video.